Hey, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. This is Lesson 2 of WooCommerce, Products and Inventory Management. In this video, we'll discuss how we can create and manage the products in WooCommerce. Let's take a look at the process before adding the product. First, we need to add the category for the product. Click on the category. Now, the correct setting of the category will open. Write any of the category you want. For example, if I write women, write the slug for it. And select the parent category for the product if you have already created it. Or, if you want to make it parent, just click on None. Write the description for your category. And select the visibility for the category. Scroll down. You can also upload the image for the category. Click on Upload Image and add the image for the category. Click on Add New Category. Success! By doing this, you can add the category for your product. Now move on to the tag. So, the setting of the tag will open. Now, we can add the name for the tag, shirt, and write the slug for it. Write the description for your tag. Click on Add New Tag. By doing this, the tag will be added. Now, we have to add the attribute for the product. The setting of the attribute will open like this. Write the name for the attribute. For example, we have to add the attribute color. Write the slug for the attribute. You can also do the sorting of your attribute. Click on Add Attribute. By doing this, you can add the attribute successfully. Now go to the All Products. Click on the Add New button. Write the product title here. Write the product description here. On the right side, you can see the product image. Select the product image and select any of the image you want and set the product image. Just scroll down, you can see the option Product Gallery. Just click on Add Product Gallery. You can add the gallery product from here you want. Click on Add to Gallery. You can select the product category by clicking the checkbox. Product Data. In the middle, we have the product data. By clicking on the drop-down, we can see the different option here. Simple Product, Group Product, External/Affiliated Product, and Variable Product. The simple product consists of a single item. A collection of product in a group is group product. The product which are not hosted on your site are external affiliated product, and the product that have multiple variations are variable product. So, we can select the simple product, and we can see the different tabs here. In the General tab, we can see the regular price, sale price, tax. By clicking on the drop-down, we can change the text status and tax class of our product. Now, go to the inventory, and you can add the SKU, and you can also select the stock status of your product. If your product is out of stock, just select Out of Stock. Now, go to the shipping, you can add the weight and dimension of your product. You can also select the shipping class by selecting here. Go to the link product, you can add the upsells and cross-sells for your product. In the attribute, you can add the attribute for your product which you have already created. In this, I have created the color. Click on the drop-down, write the value. Select the values from the attribute. Now, click on Save Attributes. The attribute will be created. Go to the Advanced. You can write the purchase note and also enable the reviews for this product. Now, you can also add the short description for your product. By doing this all, go to the above and click on Publish. Now, you can see the product is published now. By doing this all, you can create, manage, and integrate the product into WooCommerce. That was lesson 2 for WooCommerce. Subscribe and don't miss out our upcoming videos.